Hey guys, it's me, Spencer. You're here on Sketch a Day, and I wanted to talk about something important. YouTube has enabled an awesome feature to help support creators like myself. Everything you see here in the studio, I have built over a period of years using my own dime. And I'm trying to build the best experience for you guys as you're trying to learn how to draw or you just want to hang out, whatever. If you haven't yet, by the way, definitely hit subscribe and turn on alerts because we go live mostly daily here on the channel. Now we have memberships enabled. And what is a membership? Okay, first of all, everything you have on the channel that you see here, that you will see, the live streams will continue, the video uploads will continue. All of that will be the same. None of that's changing. You don't have to do this. This is just a way for you to support what we're doing here. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to clear up. The next is you may notice there's a little blue button that says join. And what does that get you? Well, there's 3 levels, and I need to look at my cheat sheet because my brain's a sieve these days, but we have a Superfan, Megafan, and Ultimate Fan level. All right, so let's talk about the Superfan. Superfan is gonna run $4.99 US. YouTube tells me that that varies from country to country, so don't be surprised if that's a little bit different. But for that, that's your way of supporting what I do here. But you may have heard me mention that after the stream, I actually scan sketches in to my handy dandy scanner here and upload them so you guys can see them at high resolution if you want the reference. So as a member of the Superfan level, you will get access to all of those sketches, and I will post the link in the community tab of our wonderful YouTube channel here. The next is the Megafan level, and that is going to run $9.99 US per month. What does that get you? Well, that's going to get you everything you got in the Superfan level, so you will get access to those sketches. But in addition to that, I will personally mail you a random sticker from my sticker collection. We've got stickers like this, Sketch Every Damn Day. We've got When in Doubt, Rough It Out, Black Ross, of course, and a few others. So I will mail you a sticker. Finally, we have the Ultimate Fan level. Now, I know some of you have asked before, hey, how can I get some of your sketches? How can I support? Well, I thought let's combine these two and give you guys a chance to, 1, support me, but 2, get a personally signed sketch with a note every month from me. And these sketches will come from the sketches that I produce on the stream. So if there's one that fancies your eye, you let me know sooner than later. Plus, you'll still get your sticker, right, for signing up. And you'll get access to those sketches as well in high resolution. So win-win-win all around. And I just wanted to mention that feature is now enabled. You guys can support me in that way. All right. Also, I just want to say, even if you don't sign up, I still love you. Thank you for watching the stream. Definitely come back and be a part of it. I love chatting, hanging out with you guys, and I'm not stopping. I just wanted to provide you guys some ways to support if you wanted to. All right. Well, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Features enabled. Check it out. And like I said, no pressure. Nothing changes in terms of what you're used to accessing here. I'm just offering you guys a little bit extra. All right. Well, thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next live stream. Remember, subscribe and turn on those alerts.